There are plenty of reasons why millions of users prefer laptops over desktop PCs. However, as you gain the portability factor, you do lose some features which comes with desktops. In today's video, I am going to talk about 5 laptop accessories which can compensate for the features your laptop does not have. Hello friends, my name is Sourav and you are watching Techie Sourav. So let's get started. Number 1. Laptop stand or cooling pad. In a tropical country like India, laptop overheating is a pretty common issue. And if you do high intensity tasks on a day-to-day basis, your laptop is going to heat up too often, which can impact the performance of the laptop. To combat that issue, it is recommended that you use laptop stand for your device. The elevation offered by such laptop stands would offer better airflow to the bottom of your laptop and allow it to dissipate heat much faster. For a regular user, a laptop stand is okay. However, if you do high intensity tasks like video editing or play games a lot, you may need to consider buying a cooling pad with multiple fans. Number 2. A USB hub. If you are one of those users who use a number of USB peripherals like a mouse, an external keyboard, a gamepad with your laptop, you will find this device very useful. Since most laptops these days come with only 2 or 3 USB ports, a USB hub can help you use more number of USB peripherals with your laptop. You can find a number of USB hubs on the internet these days. I use this USB hub from TP-Link, which has helped me use number of USB peripherals with my laptop over the years. I have made a dedicated video about this USB hub, which you can find in the I button. Number 3. External storage. With the introduction of SSDs, the laptops of this generation has become a lot faster than the laptops which used to run on HDDs. However, most users can buy a laptop of 512GB SSD because the price of 1TB SSD or higher capacity can be a little out of their budget. So it is advised to use some external options for their storage like pen drives, external hard disk or external SSDs. If you are a little low on budget, you can go for pen drives. These days 256GB pen drives are also available on the internet. I have this pen drive from SanDisk which is 128GB and I can store all my raw files for YouTube videos in this, and it does a pretty decent job. The external SSDs can be a bit pricey just like the internal SSDs. However, you can go for external hard drives. The read and write speed may be low, but it will do the job. Number 4. Laptop cleaning kit. We often forget the fact that laptops are delicate and they require frequent cleaning if you want them to perform at their best. A laptop cleaning kit like this has a soft brush which you can use to clean the air vents on the laptop and even the gaps between the keys in your keyboard. It also has this key tool which you can use to plug the keys from your mechanical keyboard and clean the keyboard much easily. You can find a variety of laptop cleaning kits on the internet. Some of the laptop cleaning kits even come with laptop cleaning gels which you can use to wipe the laptop screen or the laptop surface. The links to all the products and equipments mentioned in this video are given in the video description. Do check them out. Number 5. Audio system. If you do a lot of media consumption on your laptop, you may consider spending a few more bucks on improving the audio experience of the laptop. The inbuilt speakers in the laptops aren't always great for the better experience. If you are consuming media alone in the room, you can use headphones. However, if there are multiple people in the room and you are consuming media together, you may consider buying an audio speaker. There are plenty of audio speakers available on the internet for laptops. The wired ones are great and budget friendly. However, you can spend some more and get a Bluetooth speaker which works with your mobile as well. I hope you have found the video useful. So give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you think there should be some other accessories mentioned in this list, you can mention them in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it. I publish tech related videos on a regular basis. Until next time, stay awesome.